Welcome to this edition of ABI's Quick Bit video series. My name is Lisa Fox, and I'm here with Jessica Susie with the Gentry firm and trademarks. This is a really silly question, I'm sure, but what exactly is a trademark?
A trademark is a word, name, symbol, logo, some sort of a device that lets consumers know the source of goods and helps identify and distinguish the source of goods of one party as compared to the source of goods of another party. And there are a number of different types of trademarks, but three main types. There's the trademark that's used in association with goods and is on labels, packaging, a service mark, which is used in association with services that are provided, and trade dress, which is the packaging that's associated with goods and services. So, it could be soda cans when you're walking down the grocery store aisle, they all are distinctive. Or one of the services could be the building shape or decor of a chain of restaurants, for example.
Oh, wow, I had no idea. Well, another probably silly question. I see the TM associated with the trademark, and then I see the little R with the circle. Can you tell me what the difference is between those?
Trademarks using the R with the circle have been federally registered. Those that are using the TM symbol have not been federally registered. And if you do not federally register your mark, there is some protection that's available to you, generally in the state or states where you're using the mark.
And what are the advantages of using the federal registration?
Well, first of all, you get to use the R in the circle to let others know that you're using the mark as a trademark and that you're potentially going to enforce it nationwide. You also gain access to the federal court system. And once you're there, there are certain presumptions, depending on how long the mark has been registered, that might be available to you to help prove your case. There's also some advantages on the internet as far as domain names. And then there's protection against the trademark office registering a future mark that is confusingly similar to yours.
So knowing the advantages, how difficult is it? What is the process of a federal registration?
To begin with, we recommend a trademark search. However, a trademark search is not a prerequisite to filing an application, but it does let you know if there might be any issues down the line. The application is submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office and will include information about the mark, when you began using it, the goods and services that are used in association with the mark, and a specimen of use. The specimen shows the trademark office how the public is seeing the mark. It might be labels and tags for goods or advertisements for services. An examining attorney will review the application once it's submitted, and if there's any issues, we'll let you know via an office action. Once that process is complete, the mark will be published at the Trademark Office's official gazette, which will allow others to oppose the mark if they feel that registration could infringe on any marks that they have. And once the opposition process is complete, then the mark will register. And down the road, there are some renewal and maintenance procedures that need to take place to keep the registration.
It sounds like an arduous process, but probably well worth the effort.
Definitely, yes.
All right. Well, thank you, Jessica, for being with us today. Jessica and the Gentry firm are part of ABI's advisory council that meets monthly, identifies issues facing Iowa business, and then finds solutions to solve them. Thanks again.
Thank you.